In this video, I'll show you how to install the golden trigger from AKILA. It's quite simple to do. First, you need to remove the leaf spring. Next, you will need a Torx 10 key. There are 2 screws inside that need to be removed. I'll do that now. Once they are unscrewed, flip the magazine like this and carefully slide the trigger guard back until it disengages at the front. Then, lift it up. Try not to lose the small springs, as they might fall out. We place this plunger with its spring back into its hole. Push the trigger upward to remove it. Remove the bearings and the pin. Insert the pin and bearings into the golden trigger. Making sure there is a gap between them. Put it back in place and check if it rotates. Place the small spring into the trigger. Make sure everything is in its place. Now comes the tricky part. The catch spring must press against the wall of the trigger guard. Don't lose the springs in the plunger. After positioning it, slide the trigger guard forward. Check if the trigger rotates while holding the trigger guard. Also check if the catch engage when pressed. Now we screw the screws back in. Hold the trigger guard and the magazine in place until the first screw is tightened. Check if the trigger rotates. Also check if the catch engage when pressed. Install the leaf spring. Please note that the magazine catch lock must be set to the S position. After installing the plate, don't forget to change the catch lock position. Otherwise, you won't be able to insert the magazine into the rifle.